how to back up data in Telegram. So first, open up your Telegram on your phone, and then after that just simply click on the bottom right on settings, and then after that click on data and storage, and then just make sure that your background download is turned on. And then also going to using Wi-Fi, make sure that this slider is all the way too high, and then also for cellular, make sure that it's all the way too high. And then after that, you can also take a look at your storage users from the top, and over here Telegram is going to back up everything by simply downloading them. Now let's say you want to migrate all of your data over to another device. Well, it's very easy. All that you will need to do is simply log into your Telegram account into another device, and then from there you guys can basically download all of your data from your chat, and it's going to be there. So guys, that's how easy it is for you guys to actually back up all of your data on Telegram. So that's it. Thank you guys for watching this video. If this video was helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel.